Hi, I'm Jari from EfiCode. At EfiCode, we know technology makes more business for you. We have seen technology-fueled growth happen at the global big-name manufacturer customers like Kone and Valmet. You may have heard of DevOps, the new age of software creation. It leads to faster speed and higher quality. Well, EfiCode is the leading DevOps house in the Nordics. We are on the cutting edge of the technology and culture you need. What we can also do for you is design and create your digital services. Given we advise other companies on how to make their software, you bet we can create wow factor software ourselves. And we get smarter by partnering with global domain leaders like Atlassian and Docker. Believe it or not, EfiCode is passionate about your manufacturing transformation. Let's meet in Lahti and get talking.